Hi there, this is Architect David. Welcome to Arkida, where you can learn anything and everything about construction. For this video, we will be discussing of how to install steel for your wall finish. But please take into consideration that we will not be discussing about a whole wall of steel, meaning to say one big piece of steel for one wall, because aside from being impractical, it is non-economical. As you can see, a steel wall finish is also very pleasing to look at. Not only does it come in various finishes, but it also comes in various sizes. Allow me to share with you a video of a certain supplier of how to install aluminum panels. Although, even though it says aluminum, you can also use steel. First, you have your panels. Then at the back, you install a backer board. Then you install your upper fittings. On the wall, you will install your lower fittings. Then just slide it in, push it down, and you've now installed your panel. There are various ways of how to install your panel to the wall. This is one of the variations. If you'll notice, it has a keyhole on the side of the panel, meaning to say that is going to be inserted into this wall. How do you insert that? You are going to insert it into the cassette panel locating pin, meaning to say when a supplier or contractor installs this, all the pins should be in line. Another variation is the screw type. As you can see in this drawing, you will have two screw types of profiles, meaning to say you will install one screw type on your panel and one screw type or horizontal rail profile on the wall itself. Once you have that in place, you just screw in your fixing clip. Now this variation is similar to the video that you've seen a while ago. Meaning to say you will have two interlocking profiles wherein the panel profile or the profile where you will install the panel is to be screwed. Now for this profile is also the similar as the one on the previous slide. The only difference is that the profile which is connected to the panel is using adhesive. Meaning to say the panel is a very light panel. Now looking at the finishes of your metal, you can opt for no grouts in the spacing of the panel or with a silicone grout. Again, you can have an open panel or a closed one. Now we also have the option of coming out with different design of your steel panel, like the picture on the left and the picture on the top right portion. If you ask me about the picture on the lower right, you will say, sir, this is wood. I would definitely disagree with you because this is a wood finish aluminum panel. Well, I hope you've learned something new today. See me on my next video wherein I will be talking about wall finishing using glass.